Have you ever been suddenly abandoned when you needed someone the most? That feeling has a name. Today's expression is left in the lurch.
Sorry I left you in the lurch.
All about being left in the lurch for a fundraiser.
Don't want to leave her in the lurch.
Well, my apologies for leaving you in the lurch again today.
It means being unexpectedly abandoned or unsupported in a difficult situation. It's an idiom. We use it when someone walks away from responsibility and leaves another person stuck. It often carries disappointment, sometimes even betrayal. Here are example sentences. 1. When my business partner quit without warning, I was left in the lurch. 2. She promised to help me move, but she never showed up. I was completely left in the lurch. Small phrase, big emotion. One word a day. Real English, real confidence. And tomorrow, we're talking about a risk, but not the reckless kind.